Oh, 9 months, almost 10 months old at the bowling alley. Look at her running her walker. Gonna catch her and turn her back around. Go. Come on. She'll run everybody over. Come on. Look at her run. Oh yeah, they'll knock the shoes down. No shoes. They gotta turn her around. Come on. Look how fast. Takes off running. She's trying to go in the office. Come on, Kara. No. She keeps doing the same thing. Come on, turn around. Oh. Runs and slides. Come on. Come on. No. Oh. Uh-oh. Should I go back to see Tom again, maybe? Come on. You can't go in there. Go. Come on. Come on. Haha, I moved. Come here. Back up. Come on, Kara. Come on. Mom. Mom. Hi. Turn around. This is so funny. Come on, Kara. Come here. Let's go. Go. Whoa, she's gonna run me over.